What's my name again? Pretty Chick, and this is my sidekick.
Excuse me, you're my sidekick. I'm Glitter Girl.
Well, I'm sorry.
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
Shut up, sidekick. I'm your superior. I'm your superior. Sure about my cake? I'll kill you. Okay. Okay, first we're gonna add. Shut up. Okay, first we're gonna add the scents.
Yay!
Pine cones. Scented pine cones. And they smell like cinnamon. What?
Calm down,
And then next we're gonna use string.
String. I'll kill you. Take that. This has turned into a show where we fight. That's enough. That's it. Let's lose the cakes.
No. It doesn't fit.
You're stepping on it.
It doesn't fit.
What are y'all doing?
Go.
It doesn't fit.
Why would I go?
Somebody's gonna get hurt.
I can't fit it.
Okay, untie it.
Take it off. Somebody's gonna get hurt.
We are. Can't interrupt.
God, now we gotta start over.